I'm Caleb Giddings with Taurus USA, and I'd like to introduce you to the newest addition to the Raging Hunter family of revolvers. This is the Taurus Raging Hunter in 350 Legend. This is a very interesting expansion of the Raging Hunter line for us. It is the first ever Raging Hunter that we have chambered in a rifle cartridge. Now, the 350 Legend is an extremely popular rifle cartridge. It was designed for those states that prohibit the use of tapered or bottleneck cartridges for most deer hunting. So it is a straight-walled cartridge that delivers terminal ballistics similar to what you would expect from a 30-30 or a 357 Maximum, or similar smaller, less powerful, but still significant 30 caliber hunting cartridges. So let's talk through the features on the Raging Hunter in 350 Legend. First off, you'll notice the barrel. This is the 14-inch barrel model. It is also available with a 10-inch barrel, which is not significantly shorter and does cut a little bit of terminal ballistics off the 350 cartridge. So I recommend going with this 14-inch model. On the front of it, you see the muzzle brake. This is the same design muzzle brake that we use on the Raging Hunter in 460 Magnum, and it is very, very effective. Moving back, we have a fiber optic front sight, which pairs with the fiber optic rear sights, giving you a crisp sight picture if you decide to not use some sort of optic on your gun, like this Burris handgun scope that we have mounted to this. Speaking of the handgun scope that we have mounted on here, as you can see, there is a pick rail on the top of the gun. This allows you to do things like mount scopes, mount red dots, mount optics on it. Additionally, like the 460 Raging Hunter with the 10-inch barrel, we have a bottom pick rail on it as well. The reason that we have a bottom pick rail on here is so that you can mount a bipod, tripod, Spartan precision attachment, that sort of thing. Because a gun this size and this heavy, there are significant advantages to shooting it from a stabilized, rested position. In my mind, you might be sitting in a blind, waiting for a pig or a deer to come in, and it would be a huge benefit to be able to rest this gun in a supported position to give you the most stable shot possible. Moving on with the 350 Legend, like all Raging Hunters, it has the Taurus double lock system. This gives the gun incredible strength. Obviously, this was designed for Magnum revolver rounds, which allows Taurus revolvers to fire rounds that are at the highest levels of pressure available for those, like on the 460 Magnum, where we can shoot the dangerous game loads safely out of that gun. On this gun, it just makes it perfectly safe to operate that rifle cartridge out of a handgun. Like all the other Raging Hunters, it is also double action, single action. You have your traditional double action trigger pull if you need to fire this gun very, very quickly in an emergency, and you have a single action trigger pull for more precise shots. We're going to go ahead and make sure that this gun is clear before we dry fire it. We're clear, and that also allows me to show you the fact that unlike other major caliber revolvers, this is a 6-shooter. So you're not limited to 5 like you would be with some of the other big Raging Hunters, which is nice, again, especially if you're doing something like taking this pig hunting where you may need more than that single shot because you're engaging a large group of pigs. Fun fact, I learned this the other day, a large group of pigs is called a sounder. Now, as you were looking at that cylinder, you probably noticed that it was slightly recessed. That's because the 350 Legend cartridge is rimless. Again, it's a rifle cartridge. So unlike your traditional revolver rounds, there's no rim to headspace the cartridge for the firing pin to work. That's why the 350 Legend Raging Hunter uses these moon clips. Each of these moon clips holds 6 rounds of 350 Legend, and you drop it in the gun, and it will headspace those and allow it to eject as well. When you hit the ejector rod, it kicks all 6 spent or fired cases out of the gun in one convenient package. The Raging Hunter in 350 Legend is designed to fire without the moon clips in emergencies. You can load it with individual 350 Legend rounds. They will fire. However, to extract them, you're going to need some sort of tool, either a stick or a penknife or something like that to pry those fired cases out of the gun. Obviously, that's not something you want to do in the field in a hurry, so I do recommend making sure that you keep track of your moon clips when you're taking this on a hunt with you. The last features that we're going to talk about on the 350 Legend Raging Hunter, of course, are the grips. We use these grips on all of the Raging Hunter series guns. They're very nice. They're soft rubber grips. They allow you to shoot some of these hard recoiling magnum caliber, or in this case, rifle caliber guns without beating your hand up. That is, of course, aided again by the muzzle brake and the overall weight of the gun. We did do some testing with this. You're probably wondering, how much muzzle velocity am I losing going from a rifle to a revolver? Not much, actually. The loads that we tested it with clocked at about 100 feet per second slower at the muzzle than they stated on the box, which, of course, those velocities are designed around sort of optimum configurations, right? 16-inch 350 Legend rifle versus a 14-inch revolver with that cylinder gap. So a loss of about 100 feet per second is not significant, and it still enables the 350 Legend projectile to do the job that you need it to do, regardless of what you're hunting. If you'd like more information on the Taurus Raging Hunter in 350 Legend or on any of the Raging Hunter series of revolvers, you can go to taurususa.com, check these guns out, and find an online retailer for you to make a purchase from.